Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how to install and use AWS command line interface and interact with AWS services right from your command prompt. You need to visit this website and download the package based on your operating system. You can even install using Python pip command pip install AWS CLI. I already have this package installed in my machine, hence I'm skipping this step. Once you have successfully installed, you can verify your installation by issuing AWS version, AWS-version. Upon successfully verifying, you can start configuring the client by AWS configure. It is going to ask for AWS Access Key ID, which you can generate using AWS console. Once you log into your console, navigate to Identity and Access Management section and then to the user section. There you will be seeing the list of IAM users. You need to select the IAM user for which you want to create access credentials for. Upon selecting the user, then navigate to the Security Credentials tab. Here you can create the access key using this button. Now the access key has been successfully created. This is the only time you can access the secret access key. So you make sure you take a copy of it. I have copied the access key ID and pasted here and hit enter. It's going to ask for secret access key, which you can copy from here and paste it. I'm going to take the default return name and the default output format. And that's it. Now you can start interacting with the AWS services. To demonstrate, I'm going to show a command which will list the buckets from my S3. AWS S3 ls. This is the command which will list the buckets, which I'm going to filter based on bucket name. Now you can see the list of buckets printed. Here in my case, I have only one bucket. Using this command, you can start interacting with all other services as well. Thanks for watching.